Okay, these camo crackers, these are like the Mandarin adult snap pop things. I'm making a video here of them. They come in a little bag of sawdust. You throw these things down and they make a loud bang. They're about like a firecracker going off. I've got 4 of these in a little target I made for the pellet rifle or a BB gun. What I did was I took some popsicle sticks. These I think were from some coconut flavored popsicle sticks. But anyway, this is all glued together with like Elmer's glue, or you know, the white glue that turns clear when it dries for carpentry. So there's 4 of these laying side by side inside this wooden box that's sealed tight and shut. And I'm going to try to shoot that at about 20 yards and see what it does. But yeah, maybe I got a new target. Now let's see, these pops are 20 of them. 20 of the bangers. And that was like, I think, $2 a box. So 4 of these would be 10, 20, 30, 40 cents. I think that works to 10 cents each. 10 cents times 10, it'd be $1. There's 20 of them, so that's $2. Yeah, so 40 cents to make this target. But I found a place where I can buy these 20 of them in a box for $1 each. So that would be 5 cents for each little banger. So that'd be 5, 10, 15, 20 cents instead of 40 cents. So it'd be half price. Well, anyway, we'll try that and see how it works.